G'day, I'm Paul. This is a RAM TRX, but not just a normal RAM TRX, and that is a Ferrari 296, but also not a normal Ferrari 296. That is a Ferrari 296 GT3 race car. And instead of my mate Elballs, who keeps muffing up these drag races, we've actually got a race car driver in that car, Elliot. He currently leads the championship here in Australia for the GT World Challenge Australia Series, which is pretty unreal. Big shout out to Dontex for loaning us this car. It is an absolute beast. It has over 1,200 horsepower, and eBay for helping us put this on as well. As a reminder, we are at a regional airport runway here, so the surface isn't very good. The times that you see here are not going to be representative of the times that you would see on a prep surface. That is also a race car. They do rolling starts, so it's going to be interesting to see how he goes. We've had a bit of rain, he's on wets. But anyway, enough excuses. Let's get straight into the drag races. Count us in when you're ready, Steve. Hosing him. Oh my God, this is quick. That is unbelievable. Oh man, this car is on another planet entirely.
Yeah, I mean, we got killed, but it was fun. There was a lot of spinning. I wasn't sure when it was going to end, but we finally got second gear. The truck was already gone.
Yeah, Elliot, I think you confused this for summer nats because all I saw was tyre smoke coming out of that thing. I'm prepared to give you one more shot. This time I will not use launch control, and let's see how we go there. But then once that's done, we're going to do a rolling race where I think it is going to be a much more even race.
Sounds great, man. I need all the help that I can get.
Well, we just had them go past, and the TRX was quite substantially quicker. The race car didn't get off the line very well, so they're going to do another run. And I'm hopeful that Ferrari can reclaim some glory, because otherwise that's pretty embarrassing for a Ferrari race car to get beaten by an American ute.
Okie dokie. Steve, whenever you're ready, I'm not going to use launch control. Give him a chance. Let's go. I still cannot get over the noise this is making. Look, he's catching me. Oh, that was unreal. As the rain starts setting in, here I am on my slicks. This car is ridiculous. Mate, that was really close then. That was good. All right, I reckon let's go back and do a rolling race now, because I think I'm going to have my work cut out for me.
That was a lot closer, so I think Elliot got a much better start off the line. I hope they do another one, because I have hope that Marek can be beaten.
We couldn't go drag racing without a lot of help, so thanks to our mates at eBay, we're able to bring you this latest drag racing series. eBay has a range of performance parts that can help your car on the track. Whether you're chasing speed, power, or efficiency, eBay's got the performance parts to match, no matter the project. You can even find the right tyres to get the best launch possible, which is something my mate Elballs desperately needs. eBay even has all of your favourite brands and products to help keep your track weapon clean for that podium picture at the end of the day. So if you do need anything for your day at the track, make sure eBay is your first stop. Now let's get back to the drag races. Okay, so now we're going to do a rolling race as the rain starts to set in, so I am at a complete disadvantage here on every front, but we're going to get up to about 30 k's an hour. As soon as we hit the white line, we're going to both mash it, and it's going to be close. I do reckon now that he's got some heat in the tyres, I could be in deep trouble. He's got a whole tech team as well. I'm just here on my own, the baby seat in the back. Alrighty, let's do this. Getting the jump. That was so close. I think we muffed up the timing there at the start. I reckon if you're keen, let's do one more run there, because that was so close. You just won.
Yeah, sounds good.
Well, it just did the roll race. I'm laughing because I was hysterically laughing at the Ferrari finally winning some things. I don't know if Marek was actually going full throttle, but that was really good. It was so close. I think it was only half a car length ahead.
All right, let's have another crack at it. Come on! Oh, this is so close. Oh, I think you had a convincing win there, my friend. That was very close.
Oh shit, I didn't even see where you were.
A second roll race. Ferrari beats Paul's annoying American pickup truck once again. I'm so happy because honestly that car looks 1,000 times better. It is the pinnacle of engineering, and the TRX, man, it's just so not for me. Hey, I know you guys are gonna burn me in the comments for not liking American utes and stuff, but look at them. Ferrari every day.
Now, I'm going to be quiet so you get to listen to what these two cars sound like across the quarter mile with some numbers up on the screen as well. This is going to be absolutely unreal. There you go, that was utterly epic, and a big shout out to Elliot, the team. Like, this is a huge task to undertake, and eBay as well for helping us make this happen. This is seriously a pinch yourself moment. So if you want to check out our other drag races, make sure you have a look at the playlist on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to the legends out here at Wildcatchem as well for having us. So please stop by and check it out, have a meal at the pub. And if you did enjoy the video, please make sure you like it and you share it with your mates. But until next time, take it easy.